Right guys, it's Z from Xenon's UK. Here we have our 2015 Ford Mustang widebody. It's originally an import from Dubai, where it was our show car. Wearing a Clinched widebody kit. We've got our custom forged two-piece XUK rims. We've got the Brembo calipers, they've been wrapped in a reflective yellow. Tyres are front 275 30R20, and I believe they're Pirellis. Yes, they are Pirellis. So the body kit's been bolted on. So behind the bolts you've got riv nuts, and then the bolt tightens up into the riv nut and holds the kit onto the car. Side skirts, and then you've got your rear quarter panel. Bit of a curb mark there. It's not exactly a curb mark, just a little chip, so touch that up. Rears, again, these are 14J wide on the rear, very wide. Two-piece again. Fronts are 11.5. Car sits well. It's currently on its ride height. Moving to the rear, you've got a GT350R rear spoiler. And then you've got the rear screen louvers. Exhaust is a Bullet Valvetronic, so you can choose whether to have it loud or quiet with the touch of a button. This wheel has a few curb marks. Again, they'll be touched up. But if you want them refurbing, we can refurb them also. Quarter window louvers on the back to match the rear. Bodywork's nice and clean. Few marks. Bit of a scuff mark there that's been touched up. One there. Got a bit of rust appearing here, which is a common problem with Mustangs. The grille itself is an LED grille, so let's turn this on. The fog lights are LED as well. Should just turn them on as well. Xenon headlamps, LED fog lights, LED grille. Apart from that, the few marks and scuff marks on the wheels and on the body, a few scratches. It's quite a clean car. Do your walk around, show you the paintwork, nice and clean. It's on accuair air suspension with AGT inverted shocks to give you a nice smooth ride. And you can higher and lower the car with the touch of a button. Let's go inside. So it's a 50th anniversary model. The interior's got a red 3M matte carbon wrap on. So you got 64,000 kilometers. However, that was good timing. So that's the air compressor turning on, filling up the tank for the air suspension. So it's 40,160 miles currently. You do have a warning light on there. That's for the TPMS, so the tyre pressure monitoring system. The new wheels don't have the sensors installed inside. It's an easy fix. Carbon fibre steering wheel with perforated leather. All the original functions still work. You've got your sat-nav, shaker audio, your USB port down there. There's your plaque, 50-year edition. You do have a starlight roof, which is remote controlled to any colour. The rear is quite straightforward, and visibility through the louvers is perfect. It doesn't block anything, as you can see. Even on the sides, not too bad. Let's pop the bonnet. Nothing much to see under here, to be honest. Fairly standard vehicle. Okay. So yeah, we haven't steam cleaned the engine bay or cleaned it in any way as such. Don't want to hide anything. It's still got dust on it, well, sand from Dubai. As you can see, it doesn't miss a beat, runs perfect. New suspension. And yeah, so it's for sale, £40,000. Check details in the description. There's a contact email address and a contact number for further information. Give us a call. If you want to come and view the car, it's not a problem. Just let us know in advance. The tail lights have been converted for UK specification. So have the headlights, and the vehicle had all the work carried out in terms of registration by My Car Imports in the UK. That's the accuair air suspension, so that's the tank. They are the pumps. So the compressors that pump air into the air tank, and these lines here transfer air through the management system into each suspension airbag. Subwoofer, shaker audio.